Good to go.
Come on, you old bitch.
And she's driving, folks! Your dad's truck!
He moved it.
Holy Mother of Jesus Christ, guys!
Not that anybody wants it, but yeah, it's time for an update video. This damn camera to work here. No autofocus. Anyways, truck can move under its own power now. It's got a light drizzle. So now we're just kind of tracing through the wiring. I'm gonna mount the radiator tonight so I can actually run the truck more than 30 seconds at a time. The cross member is not done yet. It's literally just kind of probably hard to see here, tacked together, but it's enough to move the truck around. So yeah.
It might take a little more. I hope it picks up. Yeah. First hole 710, not bad. We didn't expect it to lose quite a bit, but I'm kind of surprised. But that's why we're here tuning in, because obviously it's making quite a difference. Alright guys, hole number 2. Here we go.
It's about 3 a.m. Radiator is mounted. Used some more bushings from Barnes 4-wheel drive. So yeah, I need to pull the radiator out and finish welding those brackets up. And we're another step closer. Alright, so my apologies, I haven't done an update sooner. Been putting all the front end pieces back together with the new lights that I've had for years. Got my alternator bracket fabricated using some of the original Dodge stuff and then a bunch of stuff I had to make for it. Currently getting ready to build the brackets to mount the intercooler to the front of the radiator. We stuck just a K&N filter on here for moving the truck around. But once the braces and stuff are built for the front end, because I'm not using the original core support because it's all rusted out and it's just kind of trash, we'll fix the loom for the wiring going across here that ties back into the heater stuff. So, hey there YouTubers, we're still working on the truck. See, my wife is down here. Hey, look towards the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
She's not happy. She's tightening up engine mounts. Here's the famed monster, or big honkin' air filter. Working on the pie cut intake horn right now. Intercooler is mounted.
Can someone give me something to tighten this shit?
I'm busy.
Wait!
Intercooler piping's in.
Turn around. Nope, I hit my point.
It's an hour and 11 minutes. And he did it.
So we're another day deep. Just working at trying to get some of the wiring tidied up. Which there's quite a bit to do back here. This has all got to get loomed up. But the power cable is going to the alternator. Alternator's wired. Have some of the light stuff down there waiting for my lights to get here. Here's my pie cut intake. Took and wrapped with Kevlar wrap. Later on might do the intercooler lines, but that might be a while. But anyways, we're gonna do a live test. I have not tested the alternator yet, and I haven't wired my injection pump, but we're gonna see if it charges. So just pop in here real quick. Obviously some more wiring to do inside. My gauge is mounted and shit. So let's see if we have an alternator. Voltage is slowly rising. The way it's heard is 4 gauges are shit. So we got basically 14 volts in the battery. So the alternator is just a fit. Okay, so this is going to be a pretty long update video. So can't see it over there because it's hidden. But I just wired in my ignition stuff. So we're going to crawl in the cab and give her the first try with the key. Alright, so some of my gauges aren't working. Not a huge deal, but this is what we need to know. So key on, hit the fuel switch. She's alive. My oil pressure gauge isn't working real well. Might take some time for it to build up. See if key off works. Oh yeah. We are so close to driving this thing.